Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is the curl kit unboxing. This is my first curl kit, so I really don't know what to expect. To be honest, right after I placed my subscription, I went to YouTube and looked at some reviews and they were not very good. So with that being said, I don't know. Depending on how next month's box is looking, I may have to cancel. I just didn't see too many good reviews on Curlkit. All right, so let's get started. I must say that it is heavy, so, I guess it's full-size products. All right, so there is a brochure, Curl Life. Let's see, just some stuff about the product. So these are full-size products. Oh, I actually have this already. It's pretty good. I like it. This is the Shea Moisture Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. I like this. So I'm about halfway done with mine. So this comes right on time. Next is Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Hair Mask. This is just a little, I guess, sample size. I must say that this box is random. So we have 2 Shea Moisture products, and now we have some Cream of Nature stuff. This is Cream of Nature's sulfate-free shampoo. Okay. And then we have Cream of Nature Hydrating Curl Detangler Leave-In Conditioner. And last but not least, we have some smoothing edge glue. I don't do nothing with my edges, y'all. Yeah. So there you have it. We have, I guess, 4 full-size products. I'm not impressed, I must say. I'm kind of disappointed. You know, I'm just looking at these products and I'm just like, I'm going to give them one more box before I have to cancel. To be honest, I really want that Curl Box subscription, but it is so competitive to get the freaking subscription. When they send you the email on Saturday morning, I guess you only have a couple of hours to go ahead and subscribe, because I think it was this past Saturday or the Saturday before, the email notified me that the subscription was open. It came around 8 o'clock and I got online, I think around noon, and it had closed. So, to be honest, that's the box I really want, because this stuff, yeah, I'm just not impressed with this. This is like, so, I'm disappointed, y'all, but thanks for watching. Bye.